Hi everyone, welcome to Life Discovery. I'm Anna Maria, and today we have a curious activity about how the sun is taking a long drink from the leaves. So get prepared for something very interesting. You will need a pot, a plastic bag, and a string. Take time, prepare, and let's get started. Hi again, let's sit outside where the sun is shining happily. You can take time to prepare your pot, a string, and a plastic bag, and some water. And we know that the plant needs carbon dioxide, that it gets it from the air and gives off oxygen, and we humans and animals, we need this oxygen. When we breathe in the oxygen, we breathe out carbon dioxide. That is vital for the plants. And today we are going to make an experiment and discover how the plant gets the carbon dioxide from the air. And we know the plant needs also water, and the water it gets from the roots. But what the plant is doing with the water that is not needed anymore? Let's find out. I have this pot. Maybe you have prepared yours. I'll water this plant very nicely. Now, I'll use my plastic bag and will cover the plant. Be very careful with the leaves. Cover all the leaves of the plant. Maybe not those. Here, down. Let's put all the leaves inside the plastic bag. When I cover the plant, I'll use my string and we'll put it here. Make a bow. Do it very tightly. I'm ready. Are you ready with your pot? You can take time and do it. And now we have our plant. We are ready to experiment, and we'll leave it in a warm, sunny place for a few hours. You can do something else. You can be patient. You can look from time to time and observe what happens, and we'll come back in few hours to see what has happened with our plant. See the back? It's cloudy with water vapor, and see the droplets that run down. Let's open very carefully. We'll try to collect the droplets. So very carefully. Open. Water we have here, and how the water get into the bag. We covered just the leaves, but how the water came into the bag from the leaves? Maybe from the leaves, but do you see any holes? We cannot see them, but they're here. Every leaf has small holes, microscopic holes that we call stomata. This name comes from a Latin word that means mouth. And it's like mouth, and actually the plant gets rid from the water it doesn't need anymore from the stomata. And from the stomata comes the gases. And we know the plant needs them for making the food. But imagine if so much water comes from just a little plant. What about the water that comes from the trees and from all the plants on the planet Earth? Let's look here. All the plants are making a lot of water, and this water goes into the air, and it's like the plants and the water are giving a long drink for the sun. And when the air is not able to hold the water anymore, it goes back as a rain. There are parts of the world that the trees are giving back a lot of water. These are the rainforests. But some of the plants, they cannot afford to give up water. These are the plants in the deserts. Maybe you want to find out more about the rainforests and the deserts, about the plants, animals, and humans who are living there. Maybe you can ask curious questions about the rain, about the plants, and what is transpiration. We can find out more about this. Go out, observe, and know that every plant, every leaf has stomata, a little mouth that helps the leaf to get rid of the water it doesn't need anymore and brings the gases from the air. Thank you for sharing this experience with me. It was a great pleasure. Take care, everyone.